Biscuits and gravy are on the menu this morning, but you know I gotta amp it up a little bit. Now, we didn't have biscuits and gravy in our house when I was growing up. We always had biscuits and syrup. So it's not a dish that I'm pulling out of my childhood. In fact, I didn't even discover it till I was an adult, and I was trying to put together biscuits and gravy in my mind. It just didn't seem to work for me. But once I did try it, this became one of my favorite breakfast dishes. The trick with biscuits and gravy, make sure you season the gravy. You don't want just a white gravy with just a little bit of salt and pepper in it. Go ahead and season your gravy and put some sausage in it. And it never hurts to have a little extra pork in there. It needs lots of butter. And here I'm making sort of a roux. I'm adding some flour to the meat. And you mix it real well till the flour is just about gone. Then you're going to add in your milk. Just enough to cover it. Now, one thing to keep in mind with my biscuits and gravy is it's not white. It don't have to be white to be right. I add lots of seasoning to mine, so mine ends up being kind of brown. I use salt, paprika, pepper. Got to make sure you got enough salt in there. Do you need to add any? No, it's good, huh? And those are my beautiful, flaky canned biscuits. I love them. I don't care what you say. They come out steaming. And there's my biscuits and gravy. What do you think? She just snatched it and went back to her meat.
Yes, I did.